Welcome. Today, we'll walk through setting up a powerful React application with Vite and TypeScript. First, make sure Node.js is installed on your computer, which provides us with NPM, the Node Package Manager. Open your terminal, and we'll navigate to our directory where we can create our project. We can choose to install Yarn globally by the given command in the screen. Then let's move on to creating a new project by running the given command on screen. We can either choose Yarn or NPM. This command will initialize our Vite project with a React and TypeScript template for optimized performance. We need not modify the package.json file until we need additional scripts, dependency, modular code, etc. Next, navigate into the project folder with cd myreact.ts project. Then let's move into installing dependencies using npm install or yarn install. Once that's done, you're ready to start the development server by typing npm run dev. In seconds, you'll see your new React app running locally, fast and smooth, ready for development. With this setup, you're now equipped to build with React, TypeScript, and Vite at full speed. Thank you